Hey there. Today we will write a JavaScript program that sums all numbers divisible by a given number, n, within a specified range, be it from x to y. This is a great way to practice loops, conditionals, and working with ranges. Let's explore how to solve this step by step. Our goal is to sum numbers in the range from x to y that can be divided evenly by n. For example, between 1 and 5, only the number 3 is divisible by 3, so the sum is 3. Between 100 and 1000, all multiples of 5 get summed up, giving us 99550. Let's write the code to do this. Here's the function. We first initialize num0 to 0, then loop from x to y. Inside the loop, we check if the current number I is divisible by n using the modulo operator. If I modulo n is 0, we then add I to num_sum, otherwise we just add 0. Finally, we return the total sum of these divisible numbers. Here's the process. We start with sum at 0, loop over every number from x to y. Check if each number is divisible by n. If yes, add it to the sum. If not, skip it. Once the loop finishes, return the total sum. Let's look at some real results. From 1 to 5, only 3 is divisible by 3, so sum is 3. From 100 to 1000, all multiples of 5 like 100, 105, 110, and so on add up to 99,550. The function reliably calculates the sums for both small and large ranges. This problem is practical in many scenarios. You might need to sum values meeting specific divisibility criteria in datasets. In finance, it could relate to summing payments occurring at regular intervals. It is a common pattern in coding challenges and helps solidify your understanding of loops and conditionals. Mastering these basics boosts your problem-solving skills. To wrap up, we've created a JavaScript function that sums all numbers divisible by a given number, n, within the range from x to y. We've looped through the range, used the modular operator to filter divisible numbers, and accumulated the total. This is a simple but powerful technique for many practical problems. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.